Day 3 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously, Adam and I insulated the roof and put support beams on the roof and for the bulkhead. Today we traced the bulkhead, which we have had to do in 2 pieces. We then used the jigsaw to carefully cut the bulkhead out. Adam and I then measured where we wanted to have the window into the cab and the cutout for our top cupboard. We then put the bulkhead into place, but we cannot fully install it until we have painted it and until we have our vinyl flooring finally arrives and once we've fitted the floor. Whilst we are waiting for the flooring, we moved on to the kitchen unit. We started by measuring and putting together a design, and then using 2x2, I cut to size the wood we needed for framing. Adam then screwed the frame together, and once the frame was complete, Adam cut to size a wall panel above the wheel arch, which we will eventually cover with carpet when it arrives. Once the wall panel was complete, we traced the kitchen unit onto plywood. Adam drilled holes into the frame so that I could fit the jigsaw into it to cut out the cupboard door panels. Follow for day 4, where we will do more work on the kitchen unit, start cutting to shape our roof, and hopefully if the carpet arrives we will carpet the van.